Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra. This is DC Raghuvar, your friend for life for cars. This is part 2 on EVs, how to maintain, what not to be done. In ICE engines, when you brake, or when you're driving on high speed, there's no regeneration of the power. But in electric cars, in EVs, whenever you brake, there's always chances that the system is set in that whenever you brake, the energy is generated and it is recharging the battery. So this is the special feature which you have in EVs. So you can't get this charged wherever you want. Whenever you're charging, make sure there's a earthing setup there, and there is definitely the wires are kept in sequence straight. And in your house also, don't tangle the wires and put it for charging, because once the wire gets heated up, there's always chances there's a fire and charging will happen slow. So this precaution, make sure that the wire is straight. Then second thing is, whenever you're charging, like in ICE engine, whenever you're driving, if you have a reserve in petrol, you drive it for 5-10 kilometers. Still, 1 kilometer is there, or 2 kilometers it shows, or 0 kilometers range it shows. You use the car in a petrol or a diesel. But in EVs, I would suggest never do that. Minimum is 20. When it is at 20, please go to a nearby charging station and get it charged, because the life cycle of the battery will get reduced. And also, don't charge 100%. Charge 80%, maximum 90% if you're going long distance. So if you take this precaution, 90, 80 and 20 for the end, and high end is 80 and 90. So the life cycle will be more, the more mileage you get and more life of the car on the battery will be, because the heart of the entire car is battery. So that life is more, you enjoy the car more. The other point is, whenever you are changing tires and all, you should go to the OEM only. You can't take it to a normal mechanic. And even when you are driving in a normal ICE car, the minute it is hot, you increase the AC, make it low and you use it. But in EVs, do it point by point. First take it 2 points, then another 2 points, like that. Because because everything is running on battery. So the consumption of the battery, if you are using the heater or the AC, the consumption is from the battery. So maintain this precautions for driving your safe EV. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.
नई सोच, नए सपने, नई सी है उम्मीद। चित्रा कार्स लाए खुशियों की भीड़। प्री ओन्ड हो या यूज्ड, सबसे बेहतर डील।